Oh no! It appears that the Omni wheel is becoming a very popular trend among products. Originally, we've seen it more in high-end robots, including the Ginker robot and the RoboMaster, but now we're seeing it in RC cars like this. This here is a dual combo Robo Battle Hunters, laser battle hunters, I'm not sure, but essentially they're two different RC cars with laser guns built on top of them, and you battle it out, and the winner is decided based off of that. So they sent this to us to go ahead and take a look at it. I thought it'd be pretty cool, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see exactly what it's all about. It looks like we get these two different RC cars. You got a yellow one called Shadow and one called Reaper. They're 2.4 gigahertz and 8 channels. It does require a lot of batteries, which we'll see in just a little bit. And then on the back here, it talks about what they do. So you can go ahead and compete against one another, or you can compete against on an autonomous mode. So you even have your built-in AI, which is really cool. Now, it also has the capability to drift because obviously the Omni wheel action, and you can technically battle up to 8 cars. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. So this thing takes 2 AA batteries for the remotes, and then it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 AA batteries per car. So you need 14 AA batteries to make this thing work. So yeah, let's see how that plays out. So you have your basic control movements, you can slide it, you can drift it, and then you can fire it, and you get some stickers here to customize your cars. So that's kind of cool too. All right, let's go and take these things out next. All right, so first thoughts, they're made out of plastic. They're actually pretty heavy duty. They're like physically heavy, I would have to say. I can imagine with the batteries, they'll probably weigh a little bit more. So you have an indoor and outdoor more button on the bottom here. I'm not sure how that makes any difference. And you have your laser here on the front, and then you have the Omni wheel. Yeah, so you get 2 of these guys, and then you get corresponding remotes based off of that. So let's go ahead and throw some batteries in this thing next and turn them on and see what they do. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. I just put some batteries in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on indoor mode and see if this thing works. All right, I think it's connected. So you have your controls on here, so you can go ahead and slide it left and right on the top buttons like that. You can go ahead and rotate it. It's really fast. Look at this. And then you can go ahead and move it forward, back. Whoa, okay. And then you have your laser button. See how this works. That's cool. So it got damaged. That's cool. So yeah, I mean, it kind of gives you an idea what it's about. So you do get the full control movements of the robot, and then when you do shoot it, the robot moves back and forth. So I think the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get my niece Isma, and we're gonna play a quick little game and see exactly who's better at this. All right, so we're gonna go and play this. Isma, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! Wow, this thing is crazy. It slides so much. Ouch! It's like you can't hit me. Oh! I shot you. Oh, you shot me. Oh no. I'm almost dead. Oh no, you got me! Oh, I lost! Good job, Isma. That's fun. So you hear that sound? It just turned off. That means I lost. So yeah.
Yay.
All right, well, there you guys have it. So this here is the Laser Blaster RC cars, and it's actually quite some fun. Now, it does require some effort to learn. Isma, you like it?
Yeah.
All right, well, with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.